das Gemeinschaftsprojekt der Firmen Schwabenfolia, Tzunamee Design, KW Gewindefahrwerke, Barracuda wie und Fahrzeuge. Ein extravaganter Audi A4 B9 Avant mit unseren Barracuda Tzunamee EVO Felgen. Das Besondere an der Felge, eine asymmetrische Speiche mit gebürsteten Speichen. Dazu ein Gewindefahrwerk von KW, die Variante 3, mit einer Tieferlegung von rund 40 mm. Abschließend noch eine spezielle Designvorlage. Viel Spaß beim Video.
Knocking, boots Bruno on Mogley. When I pop out like likeness. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Killed that, in the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bondsman. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made a promise. She want seed, told her nothing in a blossom. Badging me for info at the shipper to Wisconsin. Only good for the lozenge. My whole contact list hit it, I don't even want it. Ting show the jet love, but it never meant much. Never make decisions off a head rush. I've been down to 10 bucks. IRS kept track for 10 months. Had to switch how I went about it. Dues paid, collected all the loose change that I had left. Blew it on a new game. Set the high score, played it in machine stops. King's Cross, had to reconnect the where the jeans start. And get the deed done. They expected me to switch when I receive love. Gotta let the marathon run its natural course. I can feel the force. Knocking, boots Bruno on Mogley. When I pop out like likeness. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Killed that, in the AM going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bondsman. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made a promise. I should be ashamed, man, I've said it to a few birds. Made them think that they was mine, gave them new purse. And attention, it got to their head.